that one. Good job, CJ.
Thank you.
Yeah! All right, got some heft to this one, man. Woo! Some good weight to this guy here. Woo! That's my rod. Please don't take my rod. Oh man, they didn't even fight like the other ones either. I swear the smaller ones fought better. That guy. Yeah, buddy. Woo, 17 right there. Put together a nice limit. That was on the Kalen's Grub as well. Tired out. Come to the net. Got him. Net job. Another Susquehanna smallmouth. Starting to figure out a little pattern here. I think I know what they're wanting. They're definitely relating to bottom, and I mean they're really looking for that slow pause of the bait. Is what they're looking for sure. They're fatty. They're a chunk. Little chunks there. Thanks, bud. Off it goes. I'm gonna talk a little bit about kind of what's been key to my success today. Yeah, I'm not out here smashing like super big ones or anything like that, but by golly, I'm having fun catching fish on a river system that, hey, you know, has given me nothing but catfish before, and you know, has skunked me almost on tournament days. So, you know, I'm having fun just being out here, but you know, I kind of wanted to talk to you a little bit about what's been really helping me out here. One thing is, you can see right now, just anchoring on the rocks. Positioning myself, coming up, anchoring on a rock, hitting my spot, and moving. For me, being mobile, that's been very beneficial for me today in helping me catch fish. The presentation I'm using is just a Kalen's Grub with a little jig head, weedless jig head on it. Nothing spectacular, but it's been working really good. I've got 12-pound fluorocarbon leader to a 20-pound braid, and my smallie sticks has been performing like I expected to. But that's what I've been using. I've been targeting slack. You know, I haven't found them in the currents much, so it's been a lot of slack water. But not like very still. Like, it still has some movement to it. It's slower. It's just a slower current water. I'm guessing that with the high temperatures, you know, fish are just kind of taking it easy, looking, staying near the current, looking for that easy meal. That just happens their way. They're definitely picking the stuff up off the bottom. But you know, it's been pretty good. CJ's been knocking them dead on a Cinco over there. And you know, I've been doing the Grub, but somewhat same type presentation. Just throw it out there, let it sink, you know, hop it a little bit. Majority of the time they're grabbing it on the fall though. Very few times have I actually really drug it or swam it back and got the hit. That was happening earlier this morning, but that hasn't been happening at all after that. So like I said, I'm gonna keep targeting these little pockets, staying out of the current areas. Not, like I said, not really getting anything there, but just having a good old time. He's done. Another beautiful little smallie. Felt that tick on that smallie stick and boom, got him. Feels good. Got a little green scale there. Huh. Put him back in the water. He tired out. He fought good. They're liking that Kalen's grub. Perfect presentation for him. Dude, he's under my seat. Ah. Homie, I'm glad you got yourself out of there. Oh, ow. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is what we came for. Game changer. Game changer, yeah. Game changer. This actually made my day. This is my favorite fish of the day. All right, little buddy. I thought I was hung on a rock. Once I got hung, it was that was just silly. Alright, y'all, so that was a pretty good, pretty fun day out there on the water on the Susquehanna. You know, it's definitely when I come back this next time, I'm gonna be, you know, I'm gonna have a Friday, and on that Friday I'll probably come out here, fish a little, and you know, hope you enjoyed coming along on this little adventure. And as always, please subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Let's just say that there is something wrong with this picture. You're in a Prius and you're in the fast lane, also known as the passing lane.
You did in the dark. So light 'em up.